This is part 3, Learn from the Experts. Hi, Tom Snow here again. And in this series of videos, I discuss my own struggles and successes, and some great secrets on how you can change your life. Yesterday, we talked about exploring some of the secrets on how to find easy ways to make money online. So today, let's explore secret number 1. How to make tons of money by promoting other people's products, and there are a bunch. So if you don't know it already, it's called affiliate marketing. It's been around for a good while now, and many folks are making great money at it. Simply put, affiliate marketing is where makers of physical or digital products want you to market their products, and they'll share a portion of the sale with you for your work. Some physical products share smaller percentages, maybe 5, 10, sometimes 20% or more, while digital products typically pay much more and many times from 40 to 60%. The percentages are important, but some of the more important questions are, what's the size of the market? What's the cost per item? And are the payments one-time or reoccurring to you? And then, where do you find them? Well, you can find hundreds, if not thousands of products easily. Just Google some. What are you interested in? What do you like? What do you have experience in? These are important questions. If you market things you have experience in and believe in, then you'll do well. So let's search through what's available in these areas, and you'll start finding where you can make a ton of money. So we're going to look here at the browser, and let's take a look at a few. We're going to look up on Google. So let's look at a few. Let's say you're into survival gear. So type in affiliate marketing survival gear. It comes back with a number of different areas. 10 best survival affiliate programs of 2020. Survival gear affiliate programs. High-paying affiliate programs. Top 10 disaster preparation affiliate programs. Etc., etc. This is page 1. You can look at many pages. Okay, let's just open up. Let's take a look at a few. Just see what there is. So the 10 best affiliate programs of 2020. Let me go down a little bit. Says that right now that the industry is currently worth $7.8 billion a year. That's a heck of a lot. 3.7 million confirmed preppers. That's a lot of people who are looking for information, who are looking for products. So let's see what some of the things you can do. Oh, there's somebody's earnings. Now, let's look at survival affiliate programs. They list 10 possible ones here that they recommend. Let's look at Survival Frog, their first one. And they say that their average order comes to more than $50. Oh, there it is. Average order size 127, a commission rate of 12%. Means you make about $15 for every sale that's referred through your affiliate links. Well, if you sold 100 a month, then that'd be $1,500. If you could sell 1,000 of those through your links a month, that's $15,000. You can live on that. We look down here, there's other ones they're talking about. Here's a 7% on sales. Don't go just on percentage. You're going to research these out and find out what you really like. Commissions up to 5%. You want to look and you want to do some research. Don't, it's not for the weak and timid. You got to do a little research. See who they are, what they are, how popular they are, and make a choice. Let's look at survival gear affiliate programs, high-paying affiliate programs. So here's an affiliate commission, 10% commissions. Another 10% commissions. Survival kits, emergency gear, long-term food storage, solar power, survival items, prepared and first aid. Oh, here's Survival Life. Commissions up to 75% across the entire funnel. Worth checking out. That's a heck of a bunch of money. 75% if you sold a $100 sale each time, that'd be $75 times even 100 sales. That'd be $7,500 a month. Heck of a lot of money. Do your research. Now, down the road here, I'm going to be showing you other secrets to teach you how to find the keywords that people are looking for so you'll know what to do. But right now, we're just talking about, hey, what's available in affiliate marketing? Let's look at another. Starting again. So maybe you're into health and fitness. So let's put affiliate marketing, health and fitness products. Let's see what we've got. The 42 best fitness affiliate programs of 2020. 20 best affiliate programs to promote on health blogs. The best health and affiliate programs with high-paying money, I assume. Top fitness programs. 10 best fitness programs of 2020. 50 best affiliate programs for gym fitness. Health and fitness programs, affiliate programs. Let's take a look at a couple. So, the 42 best fitness affiliate programs of 2020. Fitbit. You can join the affiliate program. Sell Fitbit. Weight Watchers. $10 a sale. And we'll go into here. We could find out what Fitbit has. I'm not going to take the time at this second. Just introducing you to the idea. You can check into each of these programs and find out. GNC. Find out what you can get. There, 5% commission per sale. The Vitamin Shop, 9% per sale. Health and fitness is big. TRX Training, $8 a sale. Reebok, 7% per sale. Organifi, 30% reoccurring. There you go. Ideal Fit, 8% per sale. National Academy of Sports, $25 a sale. Monkey, 8% per sale. Etc., etc., etc. These are all things. You check out the programs. You look how popular they are. You do keyword research. But the beauty is you can create affiliate programs on many different areas. You don't have to just create on one. Your loyalty is not just to one. You can create as many affiliate programs to as many products as you want. Think about it. 20 best affiliate programs to promote on health blogs. There. They claim they made $500,000 in the last 5 years. That's doable. It's $100,000 a year. Listen, all these things are very doable. So we go in here, we learn, talking about eating healthy, staying healthy. Here are the best affiliate programs. Natalie Jill Fitness. Commission, 30 to 50% per sale. Ace Fitness, 8% per sale. All Volleyball, 5% commission up to $250. Then you get a flat $30 per transaction. Proform. They're not showing the commission there. It's okay, you check into it. All these things, you get 8% commission here, products going up to $4,000. That makes a big difference. So, what is it that you want to do? In health and fitness, many, many, many options. That's a big area. A lot of people into health and fitness. You get over 70 million results on pages in Google that it finds for health and fitness. Big market, big area. Okay, let's take a look at another. So let's say you want to sell digital products. Affiliate market digital products. Top 10 product affiliate for digital. Affiliate marketing made easy. Top affiliate programs, an online marketer. Digital products category, affiliate programs. 44 of the best affiliate programs that pay the highest. Let's just take a look at one. Let's just take that. You know what an affiliate program is. You can obviously read these things and gain a little more information. There we are. They're going to give you a list of several different things. HubSpot, ConvertKit, GetResponse, SEMrush, Fiverr, tons and tons of places. So, you go in here, we study each one. A flat rate up to $1,000 per product purchased. That's a heck of it. 30% reoccurring. Reoccurring is good. If you can make money constantly every month, that's great. Cookie life. Cookie life is important, by the way. That means when someone logs in through their browser, through your link, and you'll get a special code in your link so that that's how they know you're the affiliate. You'll get an affiliate link when you sign up. And when someone uses your link to sign in, then they now know this is the person you've sent their way. And it will show and hear what it says cookie life. And that means how long the cookie will remain in the browser. It's a little piece of code that says this person came from you. Some cookies last for few days. Some are 30 days. Here's one for 90 days. Check all those things out. That's important. Because that means if someone comes back, they didn't buy today, but they come back and buy next week, next month, you still get the sale. Very important. Cookies are true, by the way, in affiliate sales for everything. It doesn't matter which program. So look at those things. All important. Okay? So let me just ask, what is it that you want to do affiliate sales on? What is it that you can dream about? Affiliate marketing. Here, let's just do this. Affiliate marketing, digital products, programs, Amazon. You can sell on Amazon all day long and get percentage. You can sell their products. Marketing for beginners. I'll tell you what, you want to know, just go affiliate marketing A. Look what comes up in the A's. Do B. You can see what comes up for B's. C. Look C's. D. E. What I'm trying to say is there's tons of things for you to find out here. And all you need to do is dream, what is it you want to sell? And now, once you've got a hold of this idea that there's a tons of things that you could do and a ton of money to be made, the next big question is, how do you make it? Right? How do you make it? So what can you dream? The whole world is waiting. So today we scratch the surface on secret number 1, on how to make tons of money by promoting other people's products. And there are more secrets to come in researching products. We'll talk in later videos. So stay tuned. Tomorrow there's a lot more to come. Be sure to click the subscribe button and ring the bell on my YouTube channel so you'll stay alerted to each new video released in this series. To your success.